Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. I, Deepti Sharma, will be your host for today's Doon Fest activity. As part of this fest, we have an exciting social science quiz. Let's start the quiz. As we are well aware, we have four houses: Bose House, Raman House, Charak House, and Kalam House. Now, I would like to call the participants from Bose House. Arpit from class 1, Jaya from class 2, Manat from class 3. And from Raman House, Aradhya from class 1, Anushka from class 2, Shanvi from class 3. From Charak House, Heather from class 1, Ilma from class 2, Shubh from class 3. Kalam House, Aryan from class 1, Akar from class 2, Azmat from class 3. Let us begin with the round 1, the MCQ round. In this round, each question will have 4 options and you have to choose the correct option. First question from Bose House. For Bose House, which is an internal organ? Heart, ears, eyes, hand. Correct answer? Sit down. Next question. Aquatic animals live in sand, water, forest, air. Correct answer. What is the legal age of voting in India? 18, 19, 20, 21. Which is not a planet? Sun, Earth, Jupiter, Venus. Clap for Bose House. It's turn. Raman House. First question. Which body part help us to hear? Ears, teeth, eyes, nose. Correct answer. Which is not a place of worship? Temple, shopping mall, Gurudwara, church. Correct answer. Who is the head of Panchayat? Mayor, Sarpanch, President, Gram Sevak. Wrong answer. Last question. Which is the national river of India? Kaveri, Yamuna, Narmada, Ganga. Correct answer. Now, Charak House. First question. Which food is healthy? Chips, fruits, chocolate, burgers. Correct answer. It is eaten on Holi. Sevaiya, Gujia, cakes, barfi. Correct answer. False answer. How much time does the Earth take to complete one rotation on its axis? 24 hours, 27 days, 365 days, 30 days. Correct answer. Who puts out fire? Firefighter, postman, farmer, milkman. Correct answer. Now Charak House. First question, which food is healthy? Kalam House. Sorry. Now it's time for Kalam House. First question, vegetarians do not eat vegetables, fruits, chicken, pulses. This is the smallest continent on the earth. Europe, Asia, Australia, North America. Correct answer. People who go to space are astronauts, teachers, scientists, doctor. Correct answer. Last question. A tent is made of bricks, straw, canvas, ice blocks. Question. A tent is made of is made of bricks, straw, canvas, ice blocks. Correct answer. Now let us move to round 2, the passing round. In this round, if a team is unable to answer, the question will be passed to the next team. So be alert and ready. Who takes care of us at home?
Parents.
Correct answer. What is the name of our planet? Our planet. What is the name of?
Earth.
Correct. What tools did early men use?
Stone.
Correct answer. What is the head of family? Who is the head of family?
Grandparents.
Sit down. Correct answer. Clap for both house. Now, who is the head of family is wrong answer. Please pass the mic. Who is the head of family?
Grandfather.
Wrong. Pass.
Father.
Yes, correct answer. Ask the question from Charak House. Please pass the mic. First question from Rama's house. Which band of our national flag indicate peace, truth and purity?
And light band.
Correct answer. What should we do when traffic light is red?
Stop.
Correct answer. Which part of the plant is green?
Leaf.
Correct answer. What shines in the sky at night?
Moon.
Correct answer. Now it's turn for Charak House. Name two things seen in the sky. Correct answers. Hooghly is the branch of which major river of India? Correct answer. Which season is very hot? Correct answer. Name two sources of water. Pass the mic. Name two sources of water. We get water from two sources.
Ocean.
Name
Lake. River.
correct answer. Now it's turn to Kalam House. Which is the source of solar energy? Correct answer. Why do we wear clothes?
To protect us.
From?
Bad weather.
Correct answer. Name five sense organs. Correct answer. Who cuts your hair? Correct answer. Now it's time to Charak House. Who delivers letters? Now we move to round 3, the rapid fire round. In this round, you have to answer quickly and confidently. Start from Bose House. What keeps our teeth clean? What keeps our teeth clean? Correct answer. How many members are there in a small family?
4.
Correct answer. Which is the highest mountain range of the world? Name two uses of water.
In
Bose House. Now it's turn. Raman House. Name two means of transport. Two means of transport.
Land transport and air transport.
How many states are there in India?
28.
Where do we sleep?
Bed.
Where? Which food makes us strong?
Healthy food.
Clap for Raman House. Now it's time. Charak House. Name two things seen in the sky. Charak House. Who delivers letters? Who wrote the national anthem of India? Who wrote? Name any two neighborhood places. Name any two neighborhood places. Which is the biggest planet? Correct answer. Clap for Charak House. Now it's time. Kalam House. Which planet is also known as Red Planet?
Mars.
Correct answer. Who helps us when we are sick? Who keeps our neighborhood clean?
Cleaner.
Which is the longest ocean?
Pacific Ocean.
Correct answer. Clap for Kalam House. Now we come to the final round, the picture recognition round. Look at the pictures carefully, identify them and write the names. moment of the day, the result time. The first winner is Bose House and the second winner is Raman House. Thank you everyone and have a wonderful day.
Okay, be quiet everyone. Okay, no need of talking. A very good morning to everyone. So now, first of all, it was very well performed by our junior section. So let's give them a round of applause, everyone. Good. Now it's time for our middle section. So from middle section, I would like to call upon first Bose House. From Bose House, Aradhya, class 4. Abhay, class 5. Divyansh, class 6. Now Raman House, Samriddhi, class 4. Abu, class 5. Pariyal, class 6. Now Charak House, Yogita, class 4. Abhinav, class 5. And Sagar, class 6. Now Kalan House, Inaya, class 4. Prani, class 5. Chavi, class 6. Prani, class 5. Okay, so from class 5 Tanshri. Pranit is here?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is? Come now.
Ma'am, I'm taken to him. I'm Uday.
It's Pranit written here.
Stand up, beta. Ma'am, you take Anshvi.
Okay, Anshri. Class 5 Anshri. Okay, so this is the SST quiz. As you all know, we will be having 4 rounds, okay? And each house will get 4 questions, 4 chances. So now let's begin with the first round, that is passing round. I will be asking you questions, and if you will be not able to give the answer, you can pass the question to the other house. So first question for the both house. What are the basic rights given to all citizens? Both house. What are the basic rights given to all citizens?
Fundamental rights.
Yes, correct answer. Second, who was the head of the Constituent Assembly? Who was the head of the Constituent? Who was the head of the Constituent Assembly? You can pass. Yes, Raman House.
Directive principles.
Head of the Constituent Assembly. Charak House. Pass the question to Charak House.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Yes, correct answer. Both house third question. Income that the government receives from taxes or other resources. Income that the government receives from taxes or other sources. Pass the question. Charak House. income that the government receives from the taxes or other sources. Kalam House? Okay, for the last time, income that the government receives from the taxes or other sources. Okay, answer is revenue. The last question for the both house. When was UNESCO established? When was UNESCO established? No, wrong answer. Raman House. When was UNESCO established? Okay, pass the question. Charak House. Yes, correct answer. Okay, give them round of applause. Okay, now it's time for Raman House. So first question is, which is the official bank of India? Official bank of India.
RBI.
Yes, correct answer. Which is the oldest municipal corporation in India? Oldest municipal corporation in India. Don't know the answer? Pass the question. Yes, correct answer. Next question, both house. Name the lower house of the state. Lower house of the state. You don't know the answer? Pass the question.
National level.
No. Lower house of the state. Name the lower house of the state.
Rajya Sabha.
No. I'm asking about the state. Kalam House. Name the lower house of the state. Don't know the answer? Okay, it is Legislative Assembly or Vidhan Sabha. Last question for the Raman House. Elected members of the municipal corporation are called? Elected members of the municipal corporation are called? What we call to them? Those are elected for the municipal corporation.
Municipal Commissioner.
No, wrong answer. Yes, right answer. Now it's time for Charak House. First question. People who study archaeology. People who study. Yes, correct answer. Second one. What is the full form of EVM? Full form of EVM. Yes, hurry up. You don't know the answer, pass the question. What is the full form of EVM? Both house? Know the answer? Raman House? Full form of EVM. Okay, correct answer is electronic voting machine. Your next question. Voluntary organization that works to help people without any profit. Voluntary organization that works to help people without any profit. Okay, correct answer. Last question. Which organization supports the Anganwadi program in India? Which organization supports the Anganwadi program in India? Don't know the answer? No? Kalam House. Which organization supports the Anganwadi program in India? Yes, Bose House.
New Municipal Corporation.
No, wrong answer. Raman House. Okay, so correct answer is UNICEF. Now it's time for Kalam House. So your first question is, who was the founder of Mauryan Empire? Founder of Mauryan Empire. Who was the founder of Mauryan Empire? Yes, correct answer. Next question. Give an example of grassroots democracy. Anyone example of grassroots democracy? One example of grassroots democracy. Give an example of grassroots democracy. Anyone? Pass the question. Bose House. Raman House. Yes. Okay. Correct answer. Next question. Who presides over the meeting of the Gram Sabha? Who?
Sarpanch.
It's for Kalam House. Let them pass now first. It was Kalam House turn, but Raman House gave the answer. Okay, now, how many union territories are there in India?
7.
No?
8.
Yes, correct answer. You have passed the question. Who has given answer? Both house given the answer. It was their turn. Ma'am, it was Raman House, Kalam House turn, but we gave the wrong answer. So they both house given the right answer. Okay, now we will move on with the second round. That is multiple choice question. I will be asking you a question. It will be having 4 options, and you have to choose the correct one. So let's start with the Bose House. Your first question is, which governing body looks after cities? Which governing body looks after cities? Your options are Panchayat, Gram Sabha, municipality or school.
Municipality.
Yes, correct answer. WHO works for education, health, children or peace.
Health.
Yes, correct answer. Which of these was a community-led environmental movement in Uttarakhand? Which of these was a community-led environmental movement in Uttarakhand? A. Bandhan Vikas Yojana, B. Seva, C. Chipko movement, D. Kerala Rescue Operations. Yes, correct answer. Fourth question. Member countries of UNO. A 293, B 403, C 193 or D 100. Member countries of UNO. That means how many members are there in the UNO? Country members. First is 293, B is 403, that is 403, C 193 or D 100. Yes, correct answer. Okay. Which word in the preamble states that all religions in India are equal? Which word in the preamble states that all religions in India are equal? A. Sovereign. B. Justice. C. Secular. D. Equality. No, wrong answer. Which word in the preamble states that all religions in India are equal? A. Sovereign. B. Justice. C. Secular. D. Equality.
Justice.
No, wrong answer. Okay. Raman, our next question. Who is the successor of Akbar? Humayun, Babur, Shah Jahan, Jahangir. Successor of Akbar. That means son of Akbar. Humayun, Babur, Shah Jahan, Jahangir. Yes, correct answer. Next question. The group whose main function was to enforce the rules made. The group whose main function was to enforce the rules that are made. A. Legislature. B. Executive. C. Judiciary. Or D. Panchayat. The group whose main function was to enforce the rules that are made. Legislature, executive, judiciary or panchayat? No. Who execute those rules that are made?
Execution.
Okay. Wrong answer. First we have given the wrong answer, now we have to consider that first answer. Okay, next question. Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon at Sarnath, Mathura, Kashi or Prayag? Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon at Sarnath, Mathura, Kashi or Prayag?
Sarnath.
Yes, correct answer. Yes, now it's turn for Charak House. Your first question is money paid to the government to get services. Interest, tax, principal or revenue? Yes, correct answer. Next question. This day is celebrated as Human Rights Day. 4th November, 24th October, 7th of December or 10th December? This day is celebrated as Human Rights Day. 4th of November, 24th October, 7th of December or 10th of December? No, wrong answer. Next question. What percentage of seats in the Gram Panchayat are reserved for women? What percentage of seats in the Gram Panchayat are... Yes? Yes, right answer. Last question. Who is the head of the state government? Who is the head of the state government? A. Governor. B. Chief Minister.
Chief Minister.
Yes, correct answer. Now chance for Kalam House. Kalam House. Okay. Your first question is, what kind of soil is best for growing crops?
Alluvial.
Yes, correct answer. Next question. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched in the year 2010, 2014, 2008 or 2021? Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched in the year 2010, 2014, 2008 or 2021? Yes, correct answer. Next question. The term unity in diversity was coined by A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Sardar Patel, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, or D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. The term unity in diversity was coined by A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Sardar Patel, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, or D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who has given this term, unity in diversity? Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Don't know the answer. Beta, how many times I have to repeat? Okay, for the last time. Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri. No, wrong answer. Next question. Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Last question. Which of these is the largest state of India? Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Manipur, Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
Yes, correct answer. Now the third round is the picture recognition round. You will be provided 4 sheets and each sheet having 4 pictures. So you have to recognize those pictures and write down the names. Okay, first we will continue with the rapid fire. Then we will do our picture recognition. Yes, don't talk. So first chance for both house. You have to be quick in your answer. Okay, any one example of text. Any one example of text.
Water text.
Okay, correct. Who wrote the national anthem of India?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Correct. Author of Panchtantra. Author of Panchtantra. Okay, next. Answer is Vishnu Sharma. Last question. There are 22 officially recognized languages in India. Is it true or false?
True.
Yes, correct. Yes, boy. Now chance for Raman House. Your first question. Process of planting more and more trees. Process of planting more and more trees. Hurry up. Production. No, wrong answer. Correct answer is afforestation. Next question. Family consisting of only parents and their children is called?
Small family.
Okay. So, next question is founder of Arya Samaj. Founder of Arya Samaj. Who founded the Arya Samaj community? Okay. The answer is Swami Dayanand. Last question. Cancer specialist doctor. Cancer specialist doctor. Hurry up. Okay. The answer is oncologist. Now get to Charak House. Your first question is full form of ATM. Full form of ATM. Yes, right answer. Only women Prime Minister of India. Only women Prime Minister of India.
Indira Gandhi.
Yes, correct answer. Language used by Vartaman Mahavira for preaching.
Prakritik.
Yes, correct answer. Lower house of the parliament. Lower house of the parliament.
Lok Sabha.
Yes, correct answer. Now Kalam House. A doctor who is specialized in surgery. A doctor who is specialized in surgery.
Specialist.
No. Wrong answer. Surgeon. Full form of IMF. Full form of IMF. WHO was formed in which year? WHO was formed in which year? What? Give the answer in mind.
1942.
No, wrong answer. It's 1948. Last question. Name any one virtual community. Any one virtual community. Anyone you can answer. Virtual community. Okay. The correct answer is you can give any Facebook, Instagram. Okay. So this round is completed. Now we will move on with the last round. That is picture recognition round. As I told you the rule. You just have to write the right answer. Okay, so we have the result with us. The first house is Charaki is the first and the boss is the second. Clap for them. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, all the teachers and my lovely students. As we all know, that social studies is not only the study of society, but an applied knowledge of what should and should not be learned and repeated. So today I, Manvi Shukla, I am standing here in front of you all and I have brought up to you a quiz on SST. So firstly I would like to call all the participants. Class 7, Bose House Abhay. Class 8, Karthik. Class 9, Amit. Charak House, Dhruv, Subhanshu, Saksham. I want you all to clap for them. Please. Kalam House, Supriya, Aryan Kumar, and Arpit. Raman House, Unnati, Aryan Agarwal, and Anshika. First of all, give all the participants a very big round of applause, all of you. Okay. Stop. Children. So the rules are very simple. I'll be asking you questions and you have to answer, but you have to encourage them by clapping on each and every correct answer. So will you clap for them? Yes. How will you clap? Okay, so round one. Simply you have to answer the question. Round one. Bose House. Who is the primary customer of a wholesaler? Who is the primary customer of a wholesaler? Options are not to be given in this one.
Trader. Trader.
No. Wrong. Second question. What system involved men having more than one wife?
Polygamy.
Correct. Clap. First Indian women to become a doctor in the 19th century.
Anandima Joshi.
Correct. The Mehwal or the local winter rainfall is significant for which crop? Bose House. The Mehwal or local winter rainfall is significant for which crop? Correct. Now it's time of Raman House. The place that receives highest rainfall in the world. Correct. Most important leader of the moderate group. Most important leader of the moderate group. Bharat House, do you know the answer? Correct. Clap for them. Yes, Raman House. What is camel known as in the hot deserts? What is camel known as in the hot deserts?
Ship of desert.
Correct. Okay, last question for Raman House. Legal framework order was issued in. Legal framework order was issued in.
2002.
You have to tell the month also. You have to tell the month. No. Year is correct, but month is wrong. Okay. So now it's turn of Charak House. Who did Guru Gobind Singh Ji give concrete shape to in 1699 AD? Who did Guru Gobind Singh Ji give concrete shape to in 1699 AD? Okay, can Kalam House tell the answer? Bose House? Who did Guru Gobind Singh Ji give concrete shape to in 1699 AD? Wrong. Okay, Charan House, second question. What was the name given to the body which wrote the constitution? What was the name given to the body which wrote the constitution? No. No, wrong. Okay. Who is known as the father of Indian constitution? Charak House. Correct. Meaning of Purna Swaraj.
Complete independence.
Correct. Okay, now it's time of Kalam House. Which toxic gas started leaking from the Union Carbide plant of Bhopal? MIC. Okay, correct. What was the basis on which the system of apartheid divided people? Kalam House. What was the basis on which the system of apartheid divided people? Bose House, do you know? What was the basis on which the system of apartheid divided people? No. I'm asking about the basis by which the division was done. That is wrong. Okay. Next question, Kalam House. Who started the Nyaya Yudh? Who started the Nyaya Yudh? Correct. Clap for him. Okay, last question for Kalam House. National Voters Day is celebrated on. National Voters Day is celebrated on. No, it is wrong. It's celebrated on 25th of January. So with this, our round 1 is complete. Now we will move ahead to round 2, and that is a multiple choice question based round. So for both house, question number 1. Which of the following organizations aims to develop the human resources of the nation? I'm repeating the question. Which of the following organizations aims to develop the human resources of the nation? Children, stop! Option A, Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Option B, Ministry of Education. Option C, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Correct, Ministry of Education. Question 2. Sundarbans is situated in Amazon Basin, belt, Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. Correct. Children, stop talking. Otherwise, I will start asking you questions. Stop. Okay. Third question for both house. A market acts as a link between the producer and the. Option A, government. Option B, consumer. Option C, farmer.
Consumer.
Correct. Last question for both house. Nadir Shah invaded Bengal, Delhi, Punjab.
Delhi.
Correct. Moving on to Raman House. Permanent executive is also known as president, civil servants, political parties.
Civil service.
Correct. World Population Day is celebrated every year on 11th of July, 5th of June, 8th of December. World Population Day, 11th of July, 5th June, 8th December. No, wrong. The movement of people within the country. Options: population change, external migration, internal migration. The movement of people within the country. Population change, external migration, or internal migration. Correct. Malayalam was patronized by the Cholas, Cheras, Pandyas. Raman House. Correct. Clap for them. Wellesley, Lord Dalhousie, Warren Hastings. Correct. Ananthavarman built a temple for Lord Shiva, Hanuman, Jagannath. Ananthavarman built a temple for Lord Shiva, Hanuman, Jagannath. Correct. Kaziranga National Park is situated in dash state of India, Assam, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Kaziranga National Park is situated in dash state of India. Correct. Last question for Charak House. A group of migrating birds is. You have to select an example of a group of migrating birds. Okay. Flamingos. Let me give the options. Okay. Flamingos, peacocks, sparrows. Okay, correct. Good. Clap for them. Okay, moving on to Kalam House. Which one of the following is shown by population pyramid? Which one of the following is shown by population pyramid? Literacy, age group or skill? No, wrong. Second question. The dance form Kuchipudi belongs to Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Mizoram. Correct. The place where buyers and sellers meet and conduct buying and selling activities.
Market.
Correct. Last question for you. The central government passed the Right to Information Act in. You have to tell the year. The central government passed the Right to Information Act in 1995, 2000 or 2005.
2005.
Correct. Clap for them. Okay, now moving on to the third round, which is the rapid fire round. So try to answer as quickly as possible. Okay, Bose House. What does a market generate by encouraging production activities and distribution channels? What does a market generate by encouraging production activities and distribution channels? That is wrong. It can be right. It generates employment, but this buying and selling also develops economy. So this is correct. This is correct. Okay, second question. It states that all Indians are entitled to equality of status and opportunity. It states that all Indians are entitled to equality of status and opportunity. Beta, this is rapid fire. No, wrong. Who was the last ruler of medieval Bengal, ruling from AD 1740? Who was the last ruler of medieval Bengal, ruling from AD 1740? No, wrong. Delta formed by Ganga Brahmaputra in India. Correct. Okay, Raman House. This article of Constitution abolishes untouchability. This article of the Constitution abolishes untouchability. No, wrong. Arrangement between a merchant and a weaver is an example of. Arrangement between a merchant and a weaver is an example of. This is the question from class 7th textbook. Arrangement between a merchant and a weaver is an example of. No, wrong. Ganga emerges from the mountains into the plains at. Correct. Clap for her. First President of the Constituent Assembly. Correct. Very good. Okay, Charak House. Which is the longest river in the world? Correct. Other name of outburst of population. Other name of outburst of population. when there is a very large increase in the quantity people size, population size? No, wrong. That is population explosion, an outburst. Okay. When did Constitution of India come into effect? Come into effect. No, wrong. Which is the largest desert in the world? Correct. Okay. Clap for them. Kalam House. In India, Lok Sabha or Assembly elections are held after every. Correct. 5 years. Okay, Kalam House. Which Mandali was formed in Bombay in 1840 to fight for the abolition of caste system? Which Mandali was formed in Bombay in 1840 to fight for the abolition of caste system? Okay, the answer is Paramhans Mandali. Okay, next. What is the wool from Chiru called? What is the wool from the Chiru called? Tush. Correct. Shehtush. Clap for her. Okay, last question for Kalam House. How many members are there in the Election Commission of India? How many members are there in the Election Commission of India? How many members are there in the Election Commission of India? There are 3 members. Okay. Now we move to the 4th round, which is the picture identification. Okay, so the results are here. On first position stands Bose House. Clap for them. But for the second position, we need the tiebreaker questions. So Raman House and Charak. Answer as quickly as possible. The vice president is the chairperson of which house? No, wrong. Second question. The ultimate power of interpreting the Constitution of India lies with. Okay, wait. The biggest state of India in terms of area. Charak House. Thank you all of you. Clap for them, please.
Start moving to your classes one by one. Class 8 only. Class 8, move. Class 8 only. Now class 7.